So now, welcome students. Once again, we are here in pair of linear equation. Okay, exercise 3.6. Now here the type of question is solve the following pair of equation by reducing them. Right? By reducing them a pair of linear equation. It means equation this given equation is not a linear equation right now. Okay, you have to reduce in the linear equation. Means 1 upon x. And that you have to change in the linear equation. Okay, because here power of the x is -1, so this is not known as a linear equation. We have to change first in linear equation, then solve for the x and y. So first of all, whenever the question is given like this one, okay, you have to change them in a pair of linear equation, right? So now you see here 1 by x, 1 by 2x, 1 by 3y equal to again 1 by 3x plus 1 on 2y equal to 13.6. Okay, always you have to see the denominator. They remain same. Okay, x here, so x here, y, then y. Coefficient may be something change. Okay, so just we let here, let 1 by x equals to a. Right? What you have done here, let 1 by x, because 1 by 2x, you can write here 1 upon 2 into 1 upon x. So we just assume it 1 by x as a and 1 upon y as b. Okay, so simple. Now then the equation change 1 by 2x becomes a upon 2. Okay, because 2 is denominator. Remember it. It's not becomes 2a. Many students are doing mistake here. They are writing simply 2a. But actually it is what? A by 2. What it is? A by 2. In the same way, yes, it is b by 3 equals to 2 as it is. Now simplify here. LCM 2 and 3. 6 the LCM. So 3a plus 2b equal to 2, or you can write here 3a plus 2b equals to 12. Now the equation number we can say third, because we change the first equation in linear equation. Okay, 3a plus 2b equals to 12. In the same way, second equation. Yes, now you think yourself. Okay, think yourself and try to write in the your notebook. बेटा मैंने साथ साथ सोल्व करो, आप वीडियो देखते रहो, साथ साथ सोल्व करते रहो, तो आपको समझ में आएगा. 1 by 3x को क्या लिखेंगे हम? यस, अंदर बोलिए, आप सोचिए, कुछ बोलिए. a upon 3 cover. Yes, very good. And take the response. Yeah, it becomes b upon 2. देखो यहाँ पे लिख रहा हूँ मैं ये, इसको a upon 3 समझ में आना चाहिए. b upon 2 equal to 13/6. Isn't it? Say yes, sir. Yes, very good. So in this way we can change the given second equation to the linear equation. Now by taking LCM, again 6 is the LCM. So 2a plus 3b equal to 13/6. Now 6 has gone. So we finally get here third equation. 2a plus 3b equals to 13. Now this is known as the fourth one. Okay. Now as previous we have solved the equation by elimination method. We can do it here. Multiply this equation by 3 and this equation by 2. Now write here sentence, multiply the third equation by 3 and fourth equation by 2. Clear? Interchange the coefficient OB. So we can cancelize them. Now when we multiply, we will get here, this is 9a, this becomes 3 to the 6, b 12 3 here 36, then 4a plus 6b equals to 26. Now check once again whether we have been correct or not. Okay, जब भी आप सोल्व करें बेटा एक बार चेक कर लेगा, फिर से 3 3 9, 2 3 6, 12 3 36. Clear? Then multiply by 2, 4a, 2 3 6 and 26. Clear? Now change the sign, because we are going to subtract here. Subtracting these two equations, so 6b and 6b has gone 9 minus 4, 5a equals to 10, and that's why a equals to 10 by 5 means 2. Now substitute the value of A in any equation and find the value of B. So we can write here 3A plus 2B equals 12 as we have the third equation. Now put the value of A, 3, 2 plus 2B equals to 12. Clear? Yes. 6 plus 2B equal to 12. So 2B equal to 6 and B equals to 3. Now what we have write here A, what we have laid here A 1 by x. So 1 by x equals to 2. So 2x equals to 1, x equals to 1 by 2. I'll adjust the camera so you can see bottom line also. 1 upon y is 3. So 3y equals to 1. So y equals to 1 upon 3. These are the solution for x and y. Yes, little bit I have adjusted so you can see the last answer of x and y. Okay, now once again you can check it, pause the video and do practice with video. Yes. So now second question. Same pattern. Here there is given upon root x, also in upon root y, root x and root y. Clear? So there is no need to operate by this root side. Okay, simply we will do it as usual. We are doing the previous question. Means you have here let 1 by root x equals to a, okay, and 1 upon root y equals to b. Now convert the equation first and second, then you will get here c 2 by root x means 2a. Understand it? 2 by root x means 2 into 1 upon root x. You can write it. And 1 by x is what? A. So you can write it a. That's why. So it becomes 3b equal to 2. Clear? Why it is 3b? 3 into 1 upon root y, like this. Okay, 3 upon root y. So you can write here 1 upon root y. Both are the same thing. This becomes 3. Same thing here, 4 by root x. So this becomes 4a. 4 by root x. Now this is here 4. That's why it becomes 4. This becomes minus 9b equal to minus 3. Clear? Now you see the coefficient of a and b. This is the 9 here 3. So simply you have to multiply only one equation by 3. Okay, there is no need to change interchange here. Okay, 2a 3b equals to 2 and 4a minus 9b equals to minus 1. So multiply this equation by 3. Then you get here 2 3 is 6a minus 3 3 is 9b equals to 6. ये बन गया आपकी थर्ड इक्वेशन. फर्स्ट को चेंज करने से हमें थर्ड इक्वेशन आ गया. Now 8 adding second and third. So plus minus has gone. Okay. 10 a equals to 5. So a equals to 5 by 10 means a is 1 by 2. Then put the value of a in any one of the equation. Here 2a plus 3b equals to 2. So 2 into 1 by 2 plus 3b equals to 2. 2 has gone. 1 plus 3b equals to 2. So 3b equals to 1. b equals to 1 by 3. Now actually what we have written here 1 by root x equal to a. Okay, this is one of the important step here. A means 1 by root x. We got here 1 by 2. It means root x equals to 2. Now squaring both sides. Squaring both sides. So get here x equals to square of 2 is 4. Here 1 upon root 3. Root y equals to 1 upon 3. I mean. Okay. So root y equal to 3. That's why y equals to Yes, note down it and do it again and again. Yes. So now you see the next question. Here some difference is here. That 6x plus 3y equal to 6y. Okay, both the side xy is given there. Okay, I don't believe both are given. Both the side given. So you have to change first. Okay, by simplification, 6x plus 3y upon xy. Divided by the variables xy. Okay. Take in the what? Right hand side. Xy we put in the divider 6x and y. Now take it separately. Here divide separate. Then x has gone and y has gone. 6 upon y plus 3 upon x equal to 6. Okay. Same thing here. Second equation. 2x plus 4y upon xy equal to 5. Clear? Again we write xy. Take it in the denominator. Okay. By cross multiplication, take divide by the xy. Then write separate 4y upon xy. Again x has gone, y has gone. So we get here 2 upon y plus 4 upon x equals to 5. Now this question becomes like the first question. When denominator is given in fraction and upon, so you have to convert once again in the pair of linear equation. Okay, so let 1 by x equals to a and 1 upon y equals to b. Therefore, equation becomes here. You will mark here first and second equation. After changing, first equation becomes here 6a 3b. और actually हम तो पहले इसको लिखा 3a plus 6b equal to 6 because we have let 1 by x as a. First we write x 4a plus 2b equal to 5. So this equation is third and this is 4. Clear? Now simplify it again by elimination method. Just interchange the quotient 12 and 6. या इसको खाली इसको मल्टीप्लाई कर दो आपको आएगा into 3. Only we can multiply the second equation by 3. Yes. So it becomes 6 3 is 12a, 4 is 12, 2 3 is 6b, and 5 3 is 15. Fifth, third equation 3a plus 6b equal to 6. This is the third one. Now subtract. 12 minus 3, 9. A equals to 1. So a equals to 1. Then put the value of a in any equation. 3a plus 6b equal to 6. So it is 3 plus 6b equal to 6. So 6b equals to 3. b equals to 3 upon 6 means 1 upon 2. Okay, so x as we have written here, assume 1 by x. So x equals to 1 and y 1 upon y equals to 1 upon 2. Therefore y equals to 2. क्लास में